5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ramp that up. Here we go. 5 more seconds. And good. 1 down.
Oh, this is terrible.
1 down, 1 down. We got 5 more seconds to rest. We're going to ramp it up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10 seconds. Come on, Rena. Here we go. A little faster, a little faster. Come on. Here we go. And good. Very nice. Very nice. 2. We're going to 4. We're just going to go to 4. Okay? 2 down, 2 to go.
Sounds good.
We got to push, though. We got to push.
Yeah.
10 more seconds.
Yeah.
5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ramp that up. Rena. Let's go. Let's go. 5 seconds to go. Keep breathing. Keep working. And good. Good. There we go. Nice job. 10 more seconds rest. 10 seconds to work. Give me your 20-second nice steady pace after that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Almost there. And good. Nice steady pace. Big working. You got a 20-second cool down. Nice job.